My name's Les Porter and I'm the Associate Director of Nursing for Corporate Nursing at Wirral University Teaching Hospital. About 18 months ago, our executive team asked me to develop a ward accreditation programme, and it would not be something that I would want to do, would be to create an accreditation programme that was dependent on paper, spreadsheets and shared files. Now, historically, audits for ward accreditations are at least once or twice a year. We wanted to develop something that would fill in the gaps. What would the staff do to ensure that they were on the right pathway to an improved accreditation score? We were introduced to Tendable. Now, the team at Tendable were really good working with us as an organisation. They supported us in identifying how we could use the app to remove paper from our systems. All of our inspections were moved on to Tendable, and we created new Tendable inspections that allowed us to develop towards our full WISE accreditation. There are 3 stages to our continuous improvement model. So stage 1 is a series of inspections that take place on the ward. We call them our See It Sorted inspections. These inspections allow the ward staff to actually review the work that they're doing in real time and to receive feedback in real time. There's a cluster of inspections. They're undertaken by people like the housekeeper, the ward manager, the nurses on the ward, and they all come together to give a really rounded view of the ward and how the ward is functioning. So our next layer is our Divisional Assurance layer. So whilst the first layer, which is the See It Sorted, allows the ward staff to celebrate success and sort out issues in real time, this next layer is all about divisional assurance. So how does the division know that the ward is doing the right thing at the right time and moving in the right direction? The final part of our continuous improvement model is our WISE ward accreditation. The accreditation process, it looks at lots of different aspects of the ward's life, and the questions that they are asked have already been asked by the ward of themselves in the See It Sorted inspections and in the divisional assurance questions. So at the end of the cycle year, when we do the WISE ward accreditation, there are no surprises, there are no questions that haven't already been looked at by the ward themselves or the division. So we say that wards that comply with the schedule of audits, they use the audit information carefully, so they identify and celebrate success, but they also identify where they can improve and go back and re-inspect. These are the wards that will achieve the higher level of WISE ward accreditation at the end of the year when we come and do their full WISE accreditation.